What's poppin' YouTube family? I am back with another reaction video. So here we go. Um, for my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you have taken the time to go back in history of my page, of my channel, you'll see that I have been doing reactions with this wonderful, beautiful setup that I have here with the green screen for a hot minute. So I hope you enjoy my previous content as well. I've actually used to, before I switched to Twitch, was doing a lot of gaming on here as well, but Twitch actually seems to be a whole lot better in regards to gaming, in my opinion, and I'm sure a lot of other people. However, that is not why you came here today. The reason why you came here today is because I decided that I was going to do a reaction video on one of my other favorite YouTubers, Chino Alpha Wolf, or as he likes to call himself, Chef Chino Ramsay. But that's my homie. I've actually played a whole lot of. I've actually played a little Call of Duty with him once, maybe. But we used to play Fortnite together before Fortnite went into ass land. So either way, I saw this video, and when I saw the title, I immediately felt like it needed a reaction video to go along with it. So here we go, and without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get right into it. And this should be very, very entertaining. So we're going to go ahead and switch over. As you can see, he's already battling it out. But let's see here. We're going to maximize. Let's see what's going on here. My girlfriend.
No! They don't! Oh my god, no!
By the way, bro, the new intro is super dope. Hella fire. It actually kind of reminds me of some of your intros from back in the day when I first started watching your channel. But yeah, this is like next level compared to those, of course. But yeah, keep grinding, bro. Um, one day I hope to be on your level and all that kind of stuff. We'll be there one day. But yeah, let's get going.
This is how we wake up. Come here. This is how you wake up. You just jump off.
Put your arms up now. No, all the way up. All the way up. Stop.
That face.
Stop. I'm not even near you.
Okay, then stop.
Close your eyes tight. No, close
They're
them.
always closed!
Stop. Don't laugh.
I have to make this face, otherwise I'm gonna laugh.
Stop.
What is wrong with you?
Come on.
Okay.
Be a man.
Okay.
Be a man.
What are we doing?
Stop.
Pornhub Chino in the building.
Breathe. Close your eyes. Stop peeking. Stop peeking.
You're gonna do something evil!
Close your eyes.
What is Valentine doing? You about to conjure something? You about to get him. Chino, why are you such a giggle bot? She ain't even doing nothing to you, bruh.
Close your eyes.
They're closed!
Put your hands up. Stop flinching. Be a man.
Okay.
Be a man. Don't laugh.
Oh,
Okay,
oh.
I'm not.
Don't laugh. Ready?
Okay.
Okay.
I love their dynamic. They're a smooth couple. They're really cool. She ever gonna do anything? You just gonna sit there? What is going on here?
My husband's gonna be like this the whole time.
This is retarded, man.
That's so scary!
That's what made it funnier is I was literally like this.
I'm crying! I'm crying!
Something's wrong with you, bro.
Down. Now, arms up.
Careful with my belly button.
Mm-mm.
Close your eyes. Close them. Close these eyes.
What is going on here?
Relax. No, don't. Okay, guys. So after our little, I don't even know what to call that. Like, I don't know. I
Pornhub.
came up with a little challenge for Valentine's. Have a seat. Yeah. Nice.
Okay.
Strap in. Come a little bit closer.
Okay, we're gonna fast forward a little bit.
Valentine sees me stream a lot.
Okay.
A lot.
Oh,
And she thinks,
sounds
oh
like
my
you're
god,
getting
it's
into
so
something.
easy. All you have to do is shoot and kill somebody. Like, it's like the easiest thing. No, it's not. So, I have came up with a little fair challenge. She thinks it's so easy. If you get one kill, one, on keyboard and mouse.
Okay, coach. You have already messed up. Even noobs get lucky and get one kill. You should have upped the ante a lot sooner. You messed up, bro.
Which is not easy. I will shave my huevo. I will shave all this luxurious hair.
Now we know where that came from.
Please?
I'll give you like
Why does she seem so anxious to want to do that? Can you do it, please? Please?
3 practice rounds to get, the momentum, okay? To get the feel of how it works. I'll teach
You
you.
even let her practice?
Valentine's been wanting to learn how to play Call of Duty for a minute. So
That's pretty dope.
if she can get 1 kill in Call of Duty, RIP. And I've been growing it up for a minute, bro. So, like, literally all quarantine, prepping it, getting it nice and long. But you're not going to get a kill. That's how confident I am in this. I know Valentine is not. I am so confident that Valentine is not going to get a body in
my
here.
eyes are watering
I
like
will bet my hair. Okay? That's how much I'm betting. My hair, every strand of it.
I got this.
Just die on purpose.
No.
What?
How do I start?
Die on
I'm going to
purpose.
teach Valentine a little bit about how it works, how the game
Alright, so
works,
this-
stuff like that. And then we'll have the official game. Oh, okay.
Oh, I just saw someone right there.
Move forward.
Yep.
Crouching. Oh! You killed him! You killed him!
She caught her body.
Okay, 2 bodies.
Up,
2
there.
bodies. Let's listen to 2. Don't
Up.
stand there. You gotta keep moving.
No, I'm scared.
What are you
I
shooting?
don't know, man. It was right there.
Oh my god! You
Yeah!
killed another guy! You did a good job. You killed 3 people.
Sorry.
What is going on?
Oh, you're punching the air.
bro?
That was my first.
Bro, you're punching the air right now. Oh, you were punching the air in your mind right now. Oh, you was sick. Oh, not only did she just get 1, but she got 3 of them joints. Uno, dos, tres. She got sick.
Woo!
You ready to shake your head?
Sick. I feel for you, bro.
Well, what'd you think? It was fun, right?
Yeah,
See?
it's really cool. I
What
really
the
like the
hell's
game.
going on with this
More,
stuff?
way more
It's
exciting.
exciting.
More
It's
exciting
really-
than Animal Crossing.
I like
She even played another game after and got another 3 bodies. I'm proud of you. Good job. First
Wow,
time on PC. Oh, I'm sorry.
that's crazy.
My bad. That was my bad. First time on PC, she dropped.
Okay.
Like, you know what? Valentine is so good. So good.
It had literally
And
no
now he's
faith.
talking his way
No,
out
I
of
had
it.
faith. Stop. You don't even know how to use those.
You had no faith.
You don't
in
even
me.
know how to use them. No, I was like, you know what?
Stop.
I knew you could do
Stop.
it. You were so
Stop.
good. Stop.
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 Stop. Hey, don't. Oh my God. No. 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 No.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at the door.
He reminds me of The Office. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I gotta remember to insert that clip.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
No.
This is your real for real hair.
I know for real.
Real hair.
I said no. Wait a minute.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. That's so crazy. Oh, babe. I still love you, Doris.
Happened.
Oh, and then you tried to fix it? No. No. He's so sick.
It was a joke. I wouldn't really want to go bald. No.
I thought you were being for real.
No, for real.
Okay, just embrace it, okay? It's a new look.
Oh my god!
The Valentine's reaction is priceless.
Please,
Oh.
just look up for a second. What is that?
Male pattern baldness.
Toupee on my head. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh no!
Oh, you're so white up here.
I know, I never did this
Sherman
before.
Hemsley.
Oh no! So you ordered a 40 No! No! I look like a freaking egg! Alright guys, just went and rinsed off in the shower. Oh Jesus! Oh la verga, no man! I look like Pedro, he's like, oh he's so hot. Oh my god, no! Keeping this on for life! I'm gonna put some clothes on.
Actually, it's not bad looking, brother. It's not bad.
It's not gonna be good, man. I know.
Bruh, it's not as bad as you think. It's just something new for you, so you gotta get used to it. But it actually don't look that bad. Do you prefer Chino with hair? Yes. But does this necessarily look bad? Not really. Actually, a suit it could grow on us if you decided to stick with it for a while. It is what it is. But meh.
They're gonna flame my. Yo, I got a new hair.
But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. If you want to see any more of it, because he's getting reactions. If you want to see the reactions, you gotta go check out the video for yourself. So either way, yeah, this is hilarious from start to finish, and I have almost lost my mind here. This was awesome. This was amazing, and um, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. If you if you're new to the channel, definitely make sure you subscribe and hit the post notification bell so that when I post, you get new content when it goes up. And also, don't forget to like and comment. So, because I'm doing this for y'all, I do it for the love. I want to see what y'all want. I want to post more content. Let me know what y'all want me to post. I'll try and, get on some good ideas as well. Continue what I've been doing, evolving into other stuff. But y'all just let me know. Hit me up in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.